Hi, my name is Lucy Gray. I attend Columbus State University, and for my final project, I've decided to help fight to protect the Miccosukee tribal rights. Environmental justice is the fair treatment and meaningful involvement of all people regardless of race, color, national origin, or income with respect to the development, implementation, and enforcement of environmental laws, regulations, and policies. In a perfect world, environmental justice and equal protection from any environmental health hazards should be the case for all people despite their race, color, social status, or origin. However, many people are currently experiencing the opposite, constantly being exposed to contaminated air, water, and toxic chemicals, just to name a few. Environmental justice is important for everyone in the world, and I believe it is essential to fight and protect those who endure the opposite, like the Miccosukee tribe. It is well known that many tribes have endured much discrimination, like forced relocation, unfair healthcare treatments, and prejudice regarding government policies. Because of this, all members of society, no matter their social status, gender, or age, should help to fight the minorities, especially for basic rights such as environmental justice. The Miccosukee tribe has been located in the Everglades in southern Florida since the early 1800s. When Native Americans were forced to relocate to the west during the Indian Wars, about 100 people of the Miccosukee tribe ran away to hide in the Everglades before Florida was even considered a part of the United States. In 1962, the tribe was granted 90,000 acres of land by the government, and in 1982, an everlasting lease from Florida, called the Water Conservation Area 3A, was given to the Miccosukee tribe with intention to protect the tribe and conserve the land. The tribe is now in charge of over 270,818 acres of land. Since they have made the Everglades their home, the tribe has made a strong connection with the land and water, and the tribe's traditions have been recently linked to the overall good health in the Everglades. While the tribe has had such a deep connection with their ecosystem, because of recent agriculture, urban development, and industrialism, the tribe is now faced with battling water pollution. For the last 30 years, the Miccosukee tribe has been fighting to stop the distribution of polluted water into their community with no luck. Now, what is actually causing the water pollution in the Everglades? While the Everglades have been naturally flowing water for millions of years, this has recently been disrupted. The large network of this natural flowing water now consists of reservoirs and canals, which can be blamed on large-scale engineering projects. In addition, beginning in the 2000s, the South Florida Water Management District started to back pump polluted water into the waters belonging to the Miccosukee tribe, causing eutrophication and an overgrowth of cattails, which destroyed grass and vegetation in the process. Because of the Clean Water Act, which is designed to protect the water of the United States, the Miccosukee tribe should have the authority to set its own rules regarding standards for water quality. In addition, the Clean Water Act allows for the government to see tribes as states, therefore giving tribes the same treatment as they would for any other state in America. The decision made by the South Florida Water Management District to back pump polluted water into the home of the Miccosukee tribe clearly contradicts the Clean Water Act. Also, according to the Clean Water Act, a NPDES, or National Pollution Discharge Elimination System permit, is required before any pollutants enter a water source. Because this did not occur, the tribe has since sued the South Florida Water Management District, and thankfully, the Miccosukee tribe won the case. Although the Miccosukee tribe won the case in 2004, the victory was not long-lasting. Just 2 years ago in 2020, the control over the development of wetlands was altered. Previously, the tribe had an agreement with the federal government stating that the Miccosukee tribe would not allow for the states to control the wetlands. Now the states have been recently allowed the authority to manage the wetlands, which was decided by Andrew Wheeler, the United States Environmental Protection Agency Administrator. When Wheeler gave the Florida Department of Environmental Protection authority to oversee Section 404 of the Clean Water Act, this allowed for them to fill and dredge permits for the ecosystem. This change was done without conversing with the Miccosukee tribe, who, according to the Clean Water Act, maintain an agreement to have the same treatment as all other states in America. Native Americans' rights have continuously been stripped away, and not much has been done to help them. We must help minorities and use our voices to help protect their freedom. Native Americans were the original founders of America, and they were stripped of that title. Like the Miccosukee tribe, these rights to their land are being stripped as well. However, the Miccosukee tribe has continued to fight for their tribe and home in the Everglades, leading prayer walks and walking nearly 80 miles to protest and raise awareness on what they are experiencing. While it may seem as if the Miccosukee tribe has already endured immense tribulations, the environmental injustice is still occurring. Just 1 year ago in 2021, yet another devastation ensued when a Texas oil company arranged to start drilling into the land of the Miccosukee tribe by filing for a permit. If they are approved to do so, beginning in 2022, the Miccosukee tribe's ancestral burial ground will be destroyed, simultaneously endangering the wildlife species in the ecosystem in the process. This action has understandably caused an uproar in the Miccosukee tribe. The tribe is now worried about their land, wildlife species surrounding their home, the history of their land, and water pollution. Overall, I believe this topic was one of the most essential, if not the most important topics to cover because of the discrimination Native Americans have endured over the past few centuries. After researching this topic, one important thing I learned is how concerning it is that Native Americans are still enduring discrimination. After everything they have already been through, it is surprising that we are not doing more to help them. The main takeaway of this video is to help fight and protect minorities and all people who experience environmental injustice and discrimination. It is crucial that all people of all races, genders, and social statuses help those who are suffering.